this cancer is tough. He doesn't fight fair, claws, scratches, bites, and keeps getting up. I want to be honest with people about how hard it is, but say, listen, you can beat it.
There's people out here that are thinking about them, that are fighting for them and trying to raise awareness and raise money to help fund research.
Probably the most defining moment was when I got traded back, and I knew how much I loved St. Louis. I didn't realize just how much they loved me, and I'm grateful for that.
Kelly Chase has one speed, and he's only known one speed, and I think it's insane the amount of work ethic he has and the amount of fight and drive still while fighting everything he's fighting right now. It just speaks to who he is and his character, and that's why we love him.
Well, I mean, I started the event just based on being in the hospital and watching all of the folks that were suffering. And I thought, geez, you know, maybe there's something I could do. Because every day you have a chance to live because of some funding that was given to the hospital. And I thought, man, I can do something about that.
Whenever Kelly Chase calls you and wants to be a part of something like this or any other charity that he gets involved in, you don't hesitate. You go do it.
You know, the guys like Wayne and Kelly Chase learn from the guys like Gordie Howe, where, I mean, I know Chaser's always making it a point to tell the younger guys, this is how you got to do it. This is how you got to help the community. This is how you have to treat the fans. And that's why there's so many people here supporting Chaser.
We have a ton of motivation anyway with the work we do and taking care of our patients, but you know, things like this really just supercharge us.
If I could do a little bit to change the world for somebody, then that was what I was going to try and do. And it just organically started like that while I was sitting in the hospital. But the one thing I've always learned is that the more public you are about helping people, the more help you get from people. My family growing up, and they've always taught us to give back. And I just feel like I have an obligation to do that.
The things that he does for people in the community, his teammates, I mean, he's selfless.
The support we get in this community is one of the reasons I know why we have this event here.
I wanted it to make a real impact in the community where they were trying clinical trial drugs. And I just said I wanted to talk to the doctors and see what the real need was. The money never goes to the right spot or rarely gets funded in the right way. Whereas this money, we could dictate and allocate where the money went, and you were being told firsthand by the people that needed it. And to me, that was important.
This money makes a huge difference, and patients will benefit from these treatments that come from these efforts.
Don't give up. Fight for somebody. Fight for yourself. Fight for somebody. Get up. Be active. Find a way. Call me. I'll get active with you. Call me. I'll talk to you.
He thinks his attitude really plays a big part of this, and I really think that stood him up.
Cares, and he's such a loving guy, and everybody wants to be here to support him.
But I got to know Kelly. He's a dear friend. Anyone that knows him knows how truly generous he is.
His commitment to this event, commitment to Excitement Cancer Center, I think this speaks volume, obviously, of his character, which we all know.
So if you need somebody, I'm your teammate, and if I can help, I certainly will. Don't lose sight of the fact that someone's rooting for you. And let's figure out how to win this battle.